Have you ever wondered how to describe where your phone is when your birthday party starts? Or how to get from your house to the park? All in English? Do you sometimes get confused between in, on, and at? Or wonder why we say on the bus but in the car? If you've ever struggled with these tiny but powerful words, you're not alone. Prepositions might be small, but they carry a lot of meaning, and mastering them can make your English sound much more natural. Hi there, this is Lyna English Studio. Welcome back. Today we're going to explore the world of prepositions, those little words that help us talk about place, time, and direction. Let's go. A preposition is a word that connects a noun or pronoun to another part of the sentence. It often tells us about location, time, or movement. Let's look at some common prepositions and how they work. The preposition in is used to talk about something inside a space. For example, the keys are in the drawer. It can also be used for location, like, we live in Vietnam. And we use in for time when talking about longer periods, like in July or in the morning. The word on is used when something is touching a surface. For example, the book is on the table. We also say on the wall, on the floor, or on the ceiling. For time on is used with specific days or dates, like on Monday or on the 4th of July. For transportation, we say on the bus, on the train, or on a plane. At is used for specific points in time or place. For example, we say at 5 o'clock or at midnight. For location, we say at the door, at the station, or at school. It's more exact than in or on. Under means below something. The shoes are under the bed. Over means above something, but not touching. The lamp hangs over the table. Next to means beside. She sat next to me. Behind means at the back of something. He stood behind the curtain. Between means in the middle of two things. The park is between the school and the library. For movement or direction, we use prepositions like into, onto, out of, towards, and through. She walked into the room. He jumped onto the couch. They ran out of the building. We moved towards the exit. The car drove through the tunnel. So next time you want to talk about place, time, or direction, reach for a preposition. It's one of the keys to sounding natural and confident in English. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.